I'm very excited to see the room full of wonderful faces tonight. Thank you so much for being here. It is my pleasure to introduce Liliana Gonzalez. Liliana joined Con Edison, who is hosting us tonight. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful host as well. She joined Con Edison in 1985 as a management intern in the engineering track. She earned her BS in electrical engineering and graduated with the highest honors from Pratt Institute. While working for Con Ed, Liliana earned her master's degree a master's science degree in from Polytechnic University in the same discipline. Ms. Gonzalez held several positions, including non-traditional jobs such as a substation supervisor in the protective system testing department, and she also worked as a systems engineer and project specialist in systems operation. In 1995, Ms. Gonzalez was promoted to Senior Systems Operator at Con Ed's Engineering Control Center and is the only Hispanic woman to have held that position. In 2001, Ms. Gonzalez was promoted to Director of Equal Employment Opportunity, EEO Affairs. She holds certificates in both Affirmative Action and Equal Employment Opportunity Studies from the School of Industrial and Labor Relations at Cornell University. After serving Con Ed's EEO Affairs office for 3 years, Ms. Gonzalez was transferred to Central Engineering as the company's chief design engineer. She is once again the only Hispanic woman to ever hold that position. Most recently, Ms. Gonzalez was transferred to Gas Engineering as the General Manager of Technical Operations, where she is responsible for a team of over 150 employees. Ms. Gonzalez has been ranked among Hispanic Business Magazine's 100 most influential Hispanics in the United States in the 2007 edition. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Liliana Gonzalez.
Good evening, everyone. As Elvia said, I'm Liliana Gonzalez, and I'm the General Manager of Gas Technical Operations. And I'm proud to say that I'm the highest-ranking Latina in Con Edison. And just to tell you a little bit more about myself, before joining Gas Operations, I was the Chief Design Engineer in Central Engineering. And prior to that, I was appointed the Equal Employment Opportunity Director. In my 22-year career here at Con Edison, I've also had the honor to operate the electric system as a senior system operator. And I actually operated the system the famous night of the millennium in 2000. On behalf of Con Edison, I would like to welcome you to the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers 2008 Holiday Banquet and Toy Drive. Con Edison has worked closely with SHPE for a number of years, and we're proud to be a corporate partner with SHPE New York City. We share the vision to enhance and achieve the full potential of Hispanics in engineering, math, and science. Networking opportunities such as tonight's, as well as technical and professional development forums, will help achieve this vision. We are excited to have you here tonight, and we look forward to continuing the relationship with SHPE and working with the SHPE leadership in the future. If I had to give you a piece of advice on being successful in today's day and age when being competitive has become very difficult, I have the following to offer. As Hispanics, we have to educate ourselves more. Simply having an associate's degree is not enough. Even having just a bachelor's degree is not enough. Advance your education as much as possible. As Hispanics, we also have yet another barrier to overcome, and that is our communication skills. Perhaps our parents brought us here as immigrants, and we had to learn English as a second language. Well, to be competitive, we have to be very polished in our communication skills. So whatever you can do to hone that skill, this will only make you better. And the last piece of advice to becoming more marketable is, if you have an opportunity to diversify your work experience, even within your own company, that's very exciting and very attractive, and will make you much more marketable. I've held very technical jobs in operations to be the Director of Equal Employment Opportunity. How is that for a drastic change? I'm now in a very different part of the utility business, other than the electric side, which now is the gas operations side. So, as some advice, get out of your comfort zone and do something totally different. Now, while I'm still here at the podium, I also wanted to mention or briefly comment on a very serious situation we as Hispanics are facing on Long Island. That is the existing racial tension. You may have heard or read in the newspaper that on November 8th, an Ecuadorian national by the name of Marcelo Lucero was killed by 7 teenagers in Patchogue, New York. The teenagers were out that night to, quote, get some Mexicans, close quote. This incident is very tragic, and it hits home for me for several reasons. I live on Long Island, my husband is Ecuadorian, and I have 2 preteen children about to enter the high school and middle school system on Long Island. When I heard what these teenagers did, it made me very sad, and it makes me wonder what we're teaching our children at home and in school. When I first arrived on Long Island, the term I often heard was tolerance. We're teaching tolerance at home and in school. Tolerance simply means to put up with something or someone. That's not what we should be striving for. We should be striving for equality and teaching equality, not just tolerance. We want to be treated equally and with respect, just like any other human being, regardless of ethnicity, race, or the language we speak, or the name that we carry. That is the message that we should all be projecting. And now, on a very positive note about Con Edison, we have a very dedicated workforce of 14,000 men and women who reflect the diversity of the 9 million customers we serve in New York City and Westchester. The company's commitment to the safe delivery of electricity, natural gas, and steam is only matched by our commitment to equal employment opportunity and to having a very diverse workforce. Thank you.